Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Yo, 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 yo. What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright guys. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this very delicious jerk barbecue pigtail. Trust me, this is so good. So right here, I have roughly about 3 pounds of salted pigtail that I left overnight in some water to soak some of that salt out. And guys, I'm also gonna boil it for 15 minutes to get some more of that salt out, cause trust me, this is extremely salty. Guys, if you want to go ahead, you can get a second boil just to be on the safe side. Alright, so this is what it's looking like after I'm finished boiling it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, 1 tablespoon of green seasoning, and guys, for my jerk seasoning I'm using the WALKERSWOOD, and I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of my WALKERSWOOD jerk seasoning. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and I'm just gonna go ahead and massage the season into the pigtail. Guys, trust me, this is smelling so delicious and smell like you can't eat already, not even cook yet. I also went ahead and placed my oven to preheat at 400°F. Now I'm gonna place my pigtail in the oven, and guys, as you can see right here, I foiled it so the pigtail can cook a little quicker and also tender and juicy. Now for my sauce, I'm going in with 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Also 4 tablespoons of honey. I'm just making sure I get all the honey out. Also 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of WALKERSWOOD jerk seasoning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a ½ cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Also gonna add some water. You don't have to add a whole heap, right? Because I'm gonna put this on the stove to boil for about 10 minutes just to fuse the sauce together. So this is what the sauce is looking like when it's completed. Look at it. Nice and rich. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my pigtail out the oven, and I'm just gonna show you what it's looking like before I base it with the sauce. Guys, tell the truth. Don't this look good? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my sauce all over my pigtail. And I'm just gonna take a lid and close my container and start to shake. Shake it like a salt shaker. Alright. Guys, just look at this. Yo, this can't eat same way, you know. But here what? I'm gonna rest it back in the oven and just make the sauce seal onto the pigtail. Right? Just for 10 minutes. Alright guys, if you reach this part of the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell just to notify you when I have a new release. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what it's looking like on the inside. Guys, just look how juicy and tender this is. So succulent. Look at it. Wow. Alright, so here I have the finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright, so you can go ahead and have this with whatever side you choose, right? But right now, guys, I'm telling you the truth, I'm gonna eat mine with some pumpkin rice, right? I also make some gravy for it with the remaining sauce from out the pan and also the barbecue sauce. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bite into it. Wow. Guys, you need to try this. Trust me, this is something else. Trust me, this is so awesome. Wow.